4 divided by 2 over 5 times 5. I want to show you the wrong method and show you the correct method. So pay attention. So the wrong method you teach people solve this question is they will come divide this by and this together. So by the time you divide this, what you have left is 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 2. But this answer is not correct. Why? Because there is a rule with which we solve this question, which is BODMAS. We have to use our BODMAS rule. BODMAS. This stands for brackets. This stands for exponent or multiplication. This is division. This is multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Right? So, and this rule states that we have to solve from left to right. And don't forget, in solving this question, we have to still apply the KCF rule. Our KCF rule, this is keep, change, and flip. So, if we want to solve this question, our answer will not be 2, right? So, our answer will not be 2. So, let me show you how to do it. So, first of all, we have to do this division. Don't forget that division and multiplication have the same priority. So, we are solving from left to right. So, we do this first. So, we keep this 4, change our division to multiplication, we flip this, right? So, here will be 5 over 2 times 5. Now, this 2 cannot divide. 2 will divide this 4 to give you 2. So, we are left with 2 times 5 times 5. 2 times 5 will give us 10. 10 times this 5, which is equals to what? 50. So, our correct answer is 50 and not 2. Like, comment, and follow for more.